Well, this is our first year. We're doing a CSA. CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture, and basically that's just a way for folks to become a member of the farm. They basically get a subscription, and a subscription would be a weekly box of vegetables. Would last for either 12 or 24 weeks, however long people want to be a part of it. They can go either way, 12 or 24 weeks, and should be pretty good. There'll be all kinds of stuff in your CSA boxes, everything from arugula to zucchini. We'll have lettuces and greens and all that good stuff in the spring, and then followed up by tomatoes in the summer, and then winter squash type of thing in later in the fall.
And now, as far as a CSA goes, those are kind of new to Henderson County, aren't they?
I think we're the second or one of two farms in the county doing a CSA. So yeah.
And what kind of response have you gotten from people who have already signed up for the CSA?
I think people are pretty excited to see something come to the area. They've been looking for something. There in Asheville, they've had CSAs for some time, and I think people are looking forward to having something a little bit closer. It's made it so folks down here in Henderson County couldn't really participate as well as folks in Buncombe County.